Hey guys, Buffalo here. You know, a couple weeks ago I did a video on whether your cell phone was bulletproof or not. Well, the next logical step will be to try it on a refrigerator. You know, it's still ice cold. Oh yeah, we was gonna see if it went all the way through, wouldn't we? Alright guys, so as you can see, the 223 full metal jackets didn't have any trouble passing through the refrigerator. So not only would a refrigerator be impractical to carry around to use for body armor, it also wouldn't help much. Thanks for watching. Well, turns out fences aren't bulletproof either.